Using presspull command, we can able to create 3D objects from 2D enclosed areas. Here is the presspull command in modeling panel. Let's now draw some 2D enclosed areas. Let's select line command. Circle command. Rectangle. Polygon. Once again line command. We are in 2D view. Let's change the view to 3D view. Southeast isometric view. Now let's apply presspull command on these shapes. Select presspull command, click on the lines and specify the height. It is creating surfaces. Let's change the visual style to conceptual. Let's select these surfaces and delete. Now once again select the presspull command. Instead of clicking on the lines, click inside the closed area. Specify the height. Now it created a 3D object. If you move the 3D object, you can still see the baselines. Now let's apply presspull command on other shapes as well. After clicking inside one closed area, we can go to multiple option and click inside the other closed areas. At a time, it will create 3D objects from all closed areas. Using presspull command, we can also modify 3D objects. Click in face of any 3D object and we can increase the dimension or decrease the dimension by pushing outside or inside, like that. Let's draw 2D shapes onto any faces of a 3D object. We can draw 2D shapes on 3D object faces only when dynamic UCS is on. In status bar, on the button. Now we can able to draw 2D shapes onto faces of a 3D object, like that. We have drawn rectangle, circles. Now let's use presspull command. Click and drag outside will give extrusion. Click and push inside will give halo, like that.